Hi everyone, I'm back with a new tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how you can lock in profits on Binance or Binance trading stop loss tutorial. Now trading stop loss is a tool that helps you lock in profit and limits losses by automatically adjusting the stop price as the market price moves in your favor. Now to do this procedure, you have to log in into your Binance account. You need to go to the trade section, and as you click on the trade section, you need to go ahead and select spot or margin. So here what you have to do is press the icon from the top left hand side corner, and you need to go ahead and select stop, or you need to go to margin trading depending on the preferences. Here what you have to do is you need to go to more services, and then you need to go to stop, or you could go to margin trading depending on your preferences. Next, what you have to do is choose the trading pair you wish to trade. Click on sell tab if you're looking to secure profit on a long position, or buy tab if you're covering a short position. Now what you have to do is you need to set the trading stop parameters. Now this is the price at which the trailing stop will activate, and this is the percentage by which the market price can fall before the stop order is triggered. It ranges from 0.1% to 5%, and likewise you could go and confirm and place the order. Then you've successfully locked in profit on Binance. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.